Twitter is one of the fastest growing social media platforms. Now, the problem is, as a business owner, it can often become overwhelming what you should do on Twitter to gain high quality leads. You see, a lot of people just jump right in and start advertising their business. The result on Twitter is this: people will see you as a spammer and won't even want to get near you. In other words, you need to build authority first and relationships second. Now, you might be thinking, well, that takes a lot of time, right? It can, but with our system, you'll learn how to speed up the process, build your Twitter following, boost your authority, all without looking like a spammer. Now, here's a quick video's overview of what's inside this video course. Video number 1 is the introduction. Video number 2 will talk about what not to do. Video number 3 will talk about researching the community, researching keywords, hashtags, and all sorts of things, which will allow you to go ahead and create your game plan. Video number 4 will talk about how to go about creating your content and, of course, dispersing it. Video number 5 will talk about giveaways in general. And, of course, video number 6 will talk about a little bit of a bonus, which is an authority giveaway boost. So this type of giveaway will allow you to boost your authority. So go ahead and grab this course and start learning how to grow your Twitter social media presence.